Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wasn't feeling that great, but I got ready, I put on some makeup, I'm even wearing a liquid lipstick. So now I'm actually feeling much better and ready to film a video, and we're talking about one of my favorite topics today, my Bath & Body Works Project Pan. So let's get into the products. So I'm just going to get this one right out of the way at first because it's like super nasty with its top that doesn't really sit on very well. This is the Mineral Bath Soak from Bath & Body Works, and here are my progress lines. So I'm doing pretty well, as you can see. I would say maybe a couple more months this has. Maybe like just over 2 more months. Honestly, I haven't really been taking very many baths just because like I really should be in this time, but I'm just like unmotivated, honestly. So if I take a few more baths, this won't last very long at all. But if I keep up the progress I've been making, maybe just over 2 more months, I'm so ready to get this out of my collection. I got this at the June SAS last year, so it's coming up on about a year that I've had it. So definitely ready to get out of my collection. So next, let's talk about some shower gels. First, I have my Cashmere Glow shower gel, and the notes are, this one has like a crazy amount of things. It says warm blend of golden peach, exotic berries, glowing lily petals, indulged with shimmering vanilla and cashmere musk. This is like a pretty strong scent for this time of year. So I started up here, second update down here, and now I'm right here. So honestly, if I do as well as I did this past month, I think this will be gone by the next update. I've been very like rigorous about using this constantly, even like shaving my legs with it and stuff, since I'm out of shave cream now. And I think that's helped. This was like super unmotivating. I was like, this is gonna take me forever, and this is more of a warm scent, so I'm not really into it. So if I'm done with it by the next update, I'll be so happy. And then I have my Aromatherapy Comfort Vanilla and Patchouli, and so obviously I've been focusing on the other ones, so the updates aren't like crazy progress on this. Just like steady progress though. I try and use this a couple times a month. I have down that I used it 3 times since the last update, so I'm totally comfortable with that. I'm really trying to focus on my other one, so if I don't get as good of use on this one, it's not like the biggest deal. But this is definitely older in my collection. It's from 2017, it says, so yeah, I definitely do want to get it used up, but it's not my biggest priority. Next, very important right now, I have my Stress Relief PocketBac, and so as you can see, I made some pretty good progress since the last update. Obviously, as most of you know, we're using these quite a bit more now. These are the only form of hand sanitizers we have in the house, because you can't find hand sanitizer anywhere. So we've definitely been going at and like using these pretty heavily. Maybe 1.5 months, honestly, and then I think this will be gone. This is like my morning one I use like when I'm getting ready. Like if I'm putting different types of things on my face and it like leaves a gross texture on my hand, I'll usually throw this on before I do something else. So yeah, pretty good progress, but not that I'm trying to blow through this, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely important to use these as of right now. A very exciting update. This is my, it's, this is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, as you can see. So yes, I cut it open. You can't really see up in there, but I cut it open, I got it all out. This is just the hand cream. So this actually lasted like a decent amount of time. It's only 1 fluid ounce, but it is a little bit like thicker than the body lotion. So it's not as thin in consistency, so you need like a little bit less than a body lotion typically would. So it didn't like take forever, but it definitely took longer than I thought it was going to. But at the end, I just cut it open and then I scraped the rest out and used it right away because I didn't want it to go bad. So yeah, I'm happy to have this one out because it is kind of like a fall scent, and the rest of mine are pretty universal. So I'm glad I used this up, and this is, oh my gosh, this is empty number 5 in my goal of finishing 40 products this year in all my project pans, my makeup, skincare, and this Bath and Body Works project pan. So this is number 5, so I'm very, very happy about that. And on to empty number 6, I actually finished my Be Enchanted body lotion by Bath and Body Works. As you can see, I had an update there, and then this was last update. This was my marking for the last update, I do believe, and I flew through this. I only used this 11 times, I think, from here until the bottom, and when it was empty. This is super old. It's from 2013. I think it was right after they converted into like this style of packaging. Like it used to be the round ones, you know, the round tops. So this is like right after they switched that. So I've had this for a long, long time. But yeah, this is empty number 6. I'm so happy that I'm officially done with these. I have this was my oldest one, and now the oldest I have is from 2017, so I'm looking up on body lotions. And then also I had in my Vanilla Bean Noel body lotions, so these are kind of confusing. These are my progress updates from the past 2 times, but these actually go like this way, but I have it tipped over because there's only like this much left. So really from the last update I used like from here, like, you know, to here essentially. So I used a pretty big amount. This isn't like going down this way, even though it's kind of confusing. I just don't want to tip it back over because it'll take forever for this to settle to the bottom again. So yeah, I'm almost done with this. Probably only a couple more times and this will be gone. So I am going to roll in another body lotion to work on just because this is obviously almost gone. But I had to film today. I thought this would be gone before I film my update, but turns out it's not. It's so close though. So I am rolling in this body lotion. This is the Snowflakes and Cashmere body lotion. So the scents on this are Cashmere Cream, Caramel Woods, and Frosted Clementine. The scent, it's really just like a soft vanilla-y type scent, pretty universal. I know this is like a Christmas scent technically, but like I said, it's pretty universal. So the thing I don't like about this is it's like frosted packaging, like you cannot see through it. So I, of course, shined my flashlight in here to see where I was at on this. So I am starting right here. I've been going through a lot of lotions, so I don't know. I could be done with this by the next update. I could not be. So I guess we'll just see, but if I do finish this super fast, maybe I will work on like put 2 lotions in at a time to alternate between, but I'm just not positive at the current time. So here's where I'm sitting at with that. But as soon as I finish the Vanilla Bean, which should be a couple days, I'm gonna roll right into this product. Lastly, a product I wanna roll in because I'm trying to use it up is my Aromatherapy Comfort. So it's the same as the shower gel I'm using. It's the body cream. So I've never used up a body cream. I only just started getting into body cream like earlier this year, like right when the year started is pretty much when I got into body cream. So I have not finished one up yet because they're all relatively new in my collection. But this one, I thought since I loved the shower gel that I would love the body cream, since I'm like really into the body cream formula now that I've tried it out. But it's just almost like too scented. Like the shower gel is pretty faint, and of course like it's a body wash, so you're like washing it off in the end and just like slightly lingers. This is obviously more intense because it like stays on your skin and like is pretty fragrant. So I ended up not really loving this as much. But I got it like on a $6 body care day, so I'm not that upset about it. I mean, I do like it, but I just don't love it as much as I like the shower gel. So it's pretty, like, it's not necessarily, I don't know how to mark these because I've never gone through one of these and I don't really know how long they take. But I feel like I've been getting through it okay. It's like thinner definitely than it was before. So I mean maybe it's like right here just like based on my judgment. I know people say there's like a really big air pocket in here, so I could be totally off. Really not sure how long this is going to take me because like I said, I've never used one of these up, but I think this would be, I mean, I definitely am like ready to go through this one, and I've been using it at night just because like with the scent of it, it's better in the night than rather than like wearing it during the day to work and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited to see how long this takes me so I can kind of estimate for my other body creams like what my status is going to be, but kind of just excited to use this one because I'm not the biggest fan of it. So that is everything I have for my Project Pan update today, for my Bath & Body Works Project Pan, should I say. I am really not buying anything from Bath & Body Works for a little bit. I'm just trying to use up everything in my, not everything, but quite a bit in my stash before I buy from them again, just because I do have quite a bit already and I don't need more. I'm only one person, you know, I don't want stuff to start going bad. So I think over the next couple months, I'm really going to focus hard in this project to get through some things, and then hopefully I'll have my stash like worked down a little bit before the SAS in June, if they still have SAS in June. I mean, I think everything's kind of unknown right now, but that's sort of my goal over the next couple months. So thank you so much for joining me on this video here today. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.